This is a bonus video about writing as one fraction, so effectively combining fractions. Have a go at this first question in your own time. There's going to be 5 sets. This is the first set. That's, if I say that out loud, that's 1/4 plus 2/4 makes 3/4. If you had no idea what a fourth was, you'd know that, well, at least there's definitely 3 of them. I'm going to times the top and the bottom of this one by 4, so that the bottom is the same because it'll be easier. Oh look, so that is 5/8. Because I need them to be the same object. You can't combine objects if they're not the same. Let's do the next set. That's that. Have a go in your own time. First one, I'm going to times the top and the bottom by 5. And then I've got 5/10 plus 1/10. And now they're the same thing, so I can then add them together. And there's 6 of them, 6/10. Second one, I want them to be the same thing. Oh, I know what I could do. I could times that by 4 and that by 3. Then they'd be the same thing. So that's 4/12 plus 3/12. That's 7/12. Let's just say that out loud. 4/12 plus 3/12 are 7/12. 4 elephants plus 3 elephants are 7 elephants. So the underlying logic is that although it's written weirdly, because it's written like a fraction, we're just combining objects. And we need the objects to be the same in order to be able to combine them, much like when we're doing the solving equations. Same kind of thing. Have a go in your own time. That's 3/2, because that's 3 halves. 1/2 plus 1/1 makes 3 halves. I'm going to turn the 1 into 5/5. Because that way it'll be easier to add them together. And then I've got 5/5 plus 1/5 makes 6/5. You may have written your answers differently. You might have written 1.5 or 1.5. That's fine. For me, I kind of prefer leaving my answers like this as imperfect fractions. And in general, that's what you do when you're at university. But it depends. But one of the reasons you do that is it's more useful for doing things like algebra. So once you start doing more and more algebra with letters and things, you get more and more into the habit of just leaving things as improper fractions because they're the things that you can manipulate with other fractions and letters and things. Okay, so what's my answers to this one? Well, 1/q plus 1/q makes 2/q. That makes sense if I say that out loud, so I'm happy with that. 1/m plus 1/3m. They're not the same object. I'm going to have to change them so they are the same object. Because when I said it out loud, they didn't sound the same. So I'm going to change that to 3/3m because I've times the top and the bottom by 3. Now I'm going to say out loud again. 3/3m. 3/3mths plus 1/3mth. Yeah, they sounded like the same object, so I'm happy that I can combine them now. This is the final one. Have a go in your own time. We need the bottoms to be the same because we need to be counting the same type of object. So I'm going to times. So it's a question of just divining what you need to do, just kind of being creative and spotting what to do. And what to do here is you times the top and bottom of the left-hand one by q, which gives you q/q squared plus 1. Notice the bottom is now the same. When we say out loud, it will be obvious we can combine them. q squareds plus 1 q squareds. There you go, that makes sense. So we've now got q plus 1 over q squared. Ta-da! Thanks for watching.